Welcome students. In this video we're going to use the first derivative test to find out the maximum velocity where the trachea, the maximum velocity in which the air that passes through the trachea is the highest. In other words, we're going to find the max of this function. The way we're going to do it is using the first derivative test. So first we're going to find dv dt. So first I like to expand this first, so that's going to be k r squared r minus k r cube. Okay, so dv dt is gonna equal to, we take the derivative of the first term and the second term, so we're gonna do 2k r minus 3k r squared. The second step, this is the first step. The second step is to set it equal to 0. So dv, so we set dv dt equals 0. So that means that 2k r minus 3k r squared equals 0. So when do you think this is 0? Well, if I plug in 0 here, this will be 0. So if r equals 0, then dv dt equals 0. Because look, 0, and I plug in 0 here, that's another 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. And then the other one is when we find r. So that's going to be 2k r equals 3k r squared. So this cancels, one of the r cancels here. So we're gonna live with 2r equals 3r. Then we solve for little r, and then that's gonna be 2 thirds r. So r is the normal radius of the trachea, and then r is when you cough. When you're coughing. So when you're coughing, this is the function that represents such event. Coughing radius. And then k is a constant that we don't know right now, but we don't need it. As you can see, we don't need it right now. So these are the critical values. This is one of the critical values, and this is another one, r equals 0. So if we draw a line and we plug in 2/3. Okay, so if we plug in that, if the derivative is between 0 and 2/3 r, then this function is positive here between this interval, because notice this term is going to be bigger than this term. If we go here, bigger than 2/3 r for r, then this term is going to be bigger than this one, so this is going to be negative. That means that we have a max here, and this one is minimum because the radius cannot be less than 0. Okay, so we found the max. So the max is 2/3 r. So the maximum velocity occurs when the little radius r, the coughing radius, is 2/3 r. Thank you very much.